We are making this eggless whole wheat chocolate chip cake that uses jaggery and olive oil, but it still tastes so decadent and delicious. These are all the ingredients you're going to need, so let's get started. First, you're going to grease and line an 8x4-inch loaf pan and set that aside. Now to your flour, add in the baking powder, baking soda and salt and mix it well. I'm using a whisk to break any lumps. Then add some of the flour to your chocolate chips and mix. This is to coat them so that they do not sink. Then in another bowl, take your jaggery powder and add in the milk, olive oil, water, and vanilla extract and give it a whisk. Then add in the dry ingredients and whisk just till they are incorporated in the batter, but do not overmix. Then add in the chocolate chips and mix them in as well. Then you're going to pour this batter in your prepared pan and bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes. Make sure not to overbake the cake. Then let it cool completely and then release it from the sides. And take it out of the pan. And then you can slice and serve it with some coffee or tea and enjoy. As you can see here, the texture of the cake is so soft, fluffy and moist, and you have all the chocolate chips nicely spread throughout the cake. The jaggery gives this cake such a caramel-like flavor and it pairs so well with the dark chocolate chips. This is such a delicious and healthy treat to have on hand, and it tastes absolutely like a dessert. Make sure to subscribe for more recipes and hit the notification bell to stay up to date whenever I upload, and I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Bye!